Water damage in your home? The next 24 hours decide how much you can save and how high your repair bill climbs. Here's exactly what to do. First, stop the water. Shut off your main water supply valve, then cut power to any wet rooms at your breaker box. Do this before anything else. Next, document everything before you clean up a single thing. Wide shots, close-ups, timestamps. These photos can be worth thousands when your insurance adjuster arrives. Don't throw anything away yet. Damaged flooring, drywall, or belongings may need to be inspected before your insurance company will approve your claim. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't run your HVAC or ceiling fans. They spread mold spores. Don't paint over water stains. And don't use a shop vac on large floods. Mold can start growing in as little as 24 hours. If you smell anything musty, biological growth may already be happening, even if you can't see it. If the water touched insulation, subfloor, or wall cavities, or came from outside or a sewer line, call a professional. This isn't a DIY situation. Professionals use thermal cameras and moisture meters to find water hiding inside walls, places you'd never think to check on your own. Don't wait. Every hour matters. Call Go Agree Restoration of NC at 919-906-5473 for a free estimate.